So Mutindwa Enterprises was founded in the 70s as a family business by my mzee Isaac Yusuf. Actually in 1982 nilijoin kampuni after my sixth form. Niliona hapo kuna opportunity in the motor industry, and my family also needed me as manpower, because that time we got one of the dealerships that was start of the Datsun or Nissan dealership in those days. So nika join, we ran with that dealership. 1992 in between we ran with the dealership. It did well. Nikaona hii line si mbaya. 1996 I took over as the MD for Mutindwa Enterprises. From there, I've been passionate all through actually regarding this industry because I'm grown in it. You can see the facility in state of the art. We have 4 vehicle lifting hoists. We have 2 service pits, that is on the mechanical side. We have 12 technicians. Pande ingine hiyo tuko na body shop. Body shop pia tuko na pahali ya kutengenezea magari. We have all the tools and equipment. We have the jigging machine, we have the MIG welding, and we have also the spraying booth. We have a team of also about 12 in the body shop.
We cover the region from Marsabit all the way to Kitui County. Under Toyota, we sell 6 brands, namely Toyota, Suzuki brands, Yamaha bikes, Case tractors, Hino trucks and buses, and we also have the new brand in town known as Sino Truck. We accept finance from all the banks for all our available models at our showrooms.
Regarding the partnership and the dealership for Sifao Mobility and Mutindwa Toyota, first and foremost, the most popular is the Toyota full brand of vehicles. That is what we sell. I'm talking about now the sales department. So full brand of Toyota sales department. We're talking about the pickups, the Hilux pickups, which are the most popular pickups in the country and even in the region. Watu wa MERU wanasema having a pickup, Hilux pickup, ni kama pesa kwa bank. After 5 years ukitaka kuuza, utapata at least 70% value of your pickup uchukue mpya. Tukitoka hapo tunaingia kwa Case Tractors. Case Tractors is also under Sifao Mobility. Case Tractors pia tunaziuza in the farming community. It's not as vibrant as the Rift Valley, but hizi region yetu wameanza kujua ya kwamba tractor pia ni kitu ambaye inaweza rudisha pesa. Trucks and buses pia tunaziuza, especially the buses zinaenda kwa mashule. Mashule wengi wanatununulia hizo buses ambazo ziko in this region. Kuna Yamaha also the most popular motorbikes, Japanese motorbikes. Hizo pia tunauzia pande hizi za conservancies, tunauzia county governments. Kuna Toyota Hiace, hiyo pia is the king of the road. Tukiona kwa matatu industry kila pahali ni Hiace. And the good thing is hizi Hiace na Toyota Hiluxes zote zilianza kuwa locally assembled hapa. So CKD zinakuja, so duty inakuwa low. So the prices are much affordable zikiwa locally assembled. Suzuki's pia ni gari nzuri ambazo zinatumika kwa farms. Kwa farms wanatumia Suzuki hizi ndogo ndogo because it's the economical. Wakitaka kufanya rounds to their local runnings, it's very economical and it's being a 4x4 iko na good ground clearance. So hizo wanatumia. So hizo Suzuki pia tunauza. Last but not least, Land Cruisers, Toyota Land Cruisers. Hizo pia tena ni brand kubwa sana. Pickups za Land Cruiser kitambo zilikuwa zinasafirisha Mera, lakini siku hizi nafikiri because of the volumes hizo wamewacha, lakini Land Cruisers pia zinatumika kwa the tourism sector, conservancies, ranchers na wote ambaye wanatumia hizo Land Cruisers.
For the Toyota models, we have from Toyota Hilux, both 2x4 and 4x4. We have the double cabin that comes with a 2.4-liter engine and a 2.8-liter engine. When you talk about the Sino truck, is a new baby in town and it's very affordable, has lorries. We have from the H2 to the tipper to the prime mover. With me here, I have a 2.4 GD6 four-wheel vehicle, four-wheel Hilux, a GD6 that can be delivered to your door.
Mutindwa Toyota tunashukuru Mungu tuko na reputation nzuri this area. And then hii mambo tena za shortcuts hizo, hii kutoka zamani, hii nilikata hiyo story. Because hiyo ndio sasa inaletanga tu shida. Inaletanga shida, unapiga shortcut hapa and then una compromise hapa na pale. Tumefunza watu wetu hakuna mambo kama hizo. So hiyo ina give a lot of trust to our clientele huko nje ya kwamba nikipeleka gari Mutindwa Toyota tuambie tunataka kufanyiwa 1 2 3 4 10 itafanyika bila kutusimamia. Tutapewa time frame, gari tukija kuchukua tutakuta gari iko sawa kabisa na itatusafu. We have an org chart ambaye kuna general manager, kuna workshop manager, kuna service supervisor, kuna service advisors, kuna foreman, kuna technical advisor, kuna technicians. Kila mtu ako under someone. So you see hapo pia when we talk about quality assurance and quality service, hapo ndio inakujia katikati. Mtu akimaliza kazi yake, mwingine anaiangalia kama ishafanyika vizuri. Ikienda road test, moja anaangalia, anatik, kuna checklist, anahakikisha kwamba ishafanyika according to customer instructions. Mtu wa quality control anaipitia, anaangalia kwamba ishafanyika. So it's thorough check. That is how we do our thing, so that tuweze kuwa na hiyo title ya ku give excellent service to our customers. How technicians wote wanaenda for training to the Toyota Academy. Hakuna hata moja hapo ambaye hayuko certified. And then it is continuous training and improvement. Each and every person lazima aende apitie, na vile nasema ni continuous. That never stops. So that keeps us ahead of the pack. We have a parts department also ambaye mumeona hapo mbele. Tunapata parts zetu from Sifao Mobility, CBD department. So hizo ni genuine parts. Being a dealer, that's what we use. We don't use anything else apart from genuine parts. So hapa tuna genuine oils za Toyota ambaye tunatumia kwa magari zetu hapa workshop. Hii ndio tuna recommend kabisa. Tunaambia wale pia wako nje for one reason or another, kama wanashindwa kuleta magari zao hapa for service, tuko na service department ambaye inauza hizi oils hapa mbele kwetu. Waweze kutumana, wachukue hiyo oils. Oil ndio damu ya engine. Partnership ambaye tuko naye local universities na polytechnics na hizi TVET organizations. The past 7-8 years over 300 students tumewachukua. Wamefaidika We have absorbed at least 20 to 30% of them in the past 2-3 years hapa. Hao ndio sasa tuna rely on as young technicians. Waweze tunawapeleka Toyota Academy for more training. Hao ndio tuna rely on waweze kudrive this industry with new ways of doing things tukienda mbele. So amongst many awards ambazo mmeziona hapa since 2013 up to date, kuna moja ambaye ningetaka ku-highlight. Hii ni ambaye ilikuwa Toyota Dealer of the Year 2016. Kutoka hapo, ingine ya Most Improved Dealer Customer Relation Activities. Hizo activities ndio tunasemea. This is top 100 medium-sized companies 2019. 2018-2019 ndio tulikuwa awarded hii. Hizi external auditors wanakuja wanatu evaluate processes zetu, financials zetu, vile tunafanya kazi. It's quite some approximately 12 types of evaluation. That is when unaweza kupata hii award. So you see again, what's the least I can do for this community is to give back to the community. Hii ni biashara, lakini there's a part of biashara lazima you give back. Tuna support pia the MERU boxing team ikienda nje, tuna support local soccer hapa leagues, tuna support wale wakongwe. We have a program for them. We support them every month. CSR nyingi zingine ambazo tunafanya ni is cancer creating awareness within a lady initiative tuna support now. Kuna the Furaha Center hapo autism tunashirikiana nao. Kuna hizi community projects hizi za tree planting, hizo pia tunashirikiana pia pale serikali inaingilia. We are in talks about there's a new product which has come in, the Sino truck from Sifao Mobility. You're a new kid on the block. They are dealers for Sino trucks. We're just waiting for final setup and after sales facility. We want to run with that. Those are Chinese trucks, very affordable with a big promise of after sales. We already have signed our agreements. Hapo tunaona opportunity kubwa for growth. Apart from that, tunaona ikibidi saa zingine our sales team inatembeanga up and down the whole of this region. Saa zingine we can put up 1-2 satellite towns. We can put up a small 1-2 vehicle display facility so that hiyo huduma pia iweze kwenda closer to the people.
Did you know you can own a zero mileage vehicle today? I have the key. Let me help you cross the bridge. Let me be your sales lady of the day. We are located along MERU MAUA highway opposite SILVERSPREAD. Please allow me to visit you wherever you are. Thank you. Mutindwa Toyota, let's move on.